A brilliant white Citroen C1 Splash with ice cold air conditioning. That's what we've got here. Beautiful ice cold air conditioning. The year is 2009. It's an 09 plate and it's our Citroen 5-door 1 litre petrol, CO2 rating 106, and the road tax is only £20. Now you'll probably see quite a lot of 3-doors about, but you don't really come across many 5-doors. And more importantly, this car has also got 9 dealer stamps in the book. It's been well maintained from new. Let's take a little look inside. Electric windows, power steering. The air conditioning, I can vouch for that. It's, like I said before, it's ice cold in here. And on a day like today, that's what we need. 5-speed manual gearbox, radio and CD player, cloth upholstery, lots of room for getting in and out for a 5-door. It's a 4-seater car. It's practical, ideal first car, ideal for going to the school. It has a rear wiper, tinted glass all round. The space in the boot is not huge, but on a small car like this, it's adequate. A lot of space in there. Looks good in white. All our cars carry a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you want to come along and see it, but you're concerned about the coronavirus, please don't worry. All our cars are fully sanitised. Likewise, our office is as well. If you're interested, pick up the phone, make an appointment, come and have a test drive. Our name and number is on the screen. My name is Jim from Get Around Cars, where cars cost less. Thank you for watching.